Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the 3D audio on your PlayStation 5 headset. So what we want to do is go to settings right here, then scroll on down to where it says sound. Then under sound, let's scroll on down until we get to where it says 3D audio for headphones. Then set up audio right here and select this. Now you have to change the height of the sound. So if you go up to where it says type 1, the sound is going to be a little bit higher in the headphones. If we go to type 5, it's going to be lower in the earphones. So this is going to be the height in the earphones. Then default is in the middle. That's typically where I leave mine. So you can use the D-pad, go to the left or right, and you can just hear from the left audio or the right earphone audio right here. So use the D-pad. You can adjust that back and forth. So you can set it up right there. Then we have stereo or 3D audio we can select. So we can select 3D audio, and we can adjust the audio profile if we want to go back to the screen right here too. So just make sure this is set up and adjust it, and you should be good to go. And then we can enable 3D audio for our headphones, adjust the profile, and listen and compare. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.